So we really wanted to explore Chinatown and the shopping and the food there. So first we went to Chinatown. We had a milk ice cream from this ice cream place called Mixio. It was so tasty. It was very tasty. Nothing like this you get in India. So it was very nice. And फिर हम लोग थोड़ा shopping explore करने लगे. And this is me and Madhav. We were just trying random sunglasses there. And then we were just walking around looking for some place to eat. We ended up having our dinner in this Thai place. Again, I don't remember the name. I'll leave the name in the description. We had pad Thai. It was very nice. Now coming to the next day, ये हमारा free day था. हमने कुछ नहीं करना था. So we just went shopping. हम पहले Orchard Road के malls में गए. We went to Takashiyama Mall. And I think I'm pronouncing it right. And of course we started with Charles and Keith, but then we moved on to some other mall. This is Changi City Point Mall. We got to know about this through YouTube only. This is a very nice mall. So we went to this mall. हमने यहाँ पे भी बहुत shopping की. Not Charles and Keith, but we shopped for Nike. Take a guess which shoe I bought. Left or right? Blue or green? So I was in two minds basically. यहाँ से भी we ended up shopping a lot. You can see all our shopping bags here. Then in the evening we went to meet mummy's friend who's living in Singapore with her family. And this is her place. This is the view from her house, from her terrace. It was a beautiful penthouse near Orchard Street only. I think it was just 10 minutes from Orchard Street. It was a very beautiful place. Then for dinner we went to Maxwell Food Center. So basically I wanted to try their chicken rice, Hainanese chicken rice, and I wanted to have it from that Michelin rated place, Tian Tian chicken, Hainanese chicken rice. So we went to this. This is also a hawker center like Newton was, but this is like in a closed space. That was more in the open space. So we had the chicken rice with all their chili sauce and different sauces. And this is us the next day. So this was our last day in this hotel on Orchard Road. So we shifted to Sentosa Island. So we stayed there for 2 days on Sentosa Island. First day we covered Universal Studios. And it was a very nice experience. I have also been to Disneyland. It was quite similar to that, and I just loved it. I am a very adventurous person. I love rides, roller coasters and everything. Though Madhav was a bit unwell that day, he had very high fever, but he still was a very nice partner. He went to all the rides and all the roller coasters, and even my father-in-law, वो मेरे साथ हर रोलर कोस्टर पे गए हैं, बल्कि मेरे को फ्रंट में बैठना होता है तो वो भी मेरे साथ फ्रंट में बैठे हैं. सो वन टिप हियर, जस्ट टेक एन एक्सप्रेस पास प्लीज़, बिकॉज आप एक्सप्रेस पास के बिना लंबी लाइन्स में खड़े रह जाएंगे. यू नीड टू टेक द एक्सप्रेस पास फॉर श्योर, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट you will save up a lot of time. And yeah, so this is a video from Jurassic World in Universal Studios only. They were just doing a little show for the kids and people, elderly as well. Not elderly, like adults as well. So yeah, then this is a far away land, and यहाँ पे भी we did a lot of rides. Basically I googled कि यहाँ पे कौन सी राइड्स बेस्ट है. सो वी वेंट ओनली फॉर द गुड राइड्स. तो ये राइड थोड़ी डिसअपॉइंटिंग थी. वी एक्सपेक्टेड अ लॉट मोर फ्रॉम दिस राइड, बट ठीक है. दिस राइड वॉज अ बिट डिसअपॉइंटिंग. इट वॉज सो हॉट दैट डे. इट वॉज एक्सट्रीमली हॉट दैट डे. वी वर जस्ट एग्जॉस्टेड बाय द एंड. एंड या दिस यहाँ पे फिर शोज़ होने लगे थोड़े. काफ़ी सारे शोज़ होते हैं. This is us towards the end. We got our pictures clicked. This is, I think, the Hollywood Street. Then we ended up in this Hershey's Reese's ka store, and we ended up buying a few chocolates from here. It was very nice.